See, today we'll discuss a company called Riddhi Siddhi Gluco. Basically, this company is in the business of commodity trading as well as wind power generation. But the interesting thing that I found is basically this is like a mutual quasi fund, a small quasi mutual fund, given the fact that it owns almost more than 100 listed shares of 100 listed companies. So, if you take a look at the financial snapshot, the market cap is 480 crores and the investment that it has in equity as well as mutual fund is almost 780 crores. Now, I'll just give you a breakup of what the investments is. Mainly they have almost 580 crore rupees that is invested as far as equities is concerned. So, across there are more than 125 companies in which Riddhi Siddhi has invested. That amounts to close to 580 crores. Some may be less shares, some may be more shares. Mutual fund investment is 177 crores. They have investment in debentures worth almost 13 crores and private equity almost 12 crores is the investment that they have. Basically, they had their starch business which they sold and they got the money and they have invested it as far as equity is concerned. Now, the other part is in terms of the financial ratios. Just look at the financial ratio. Price to book, it is trading at 0.4 times the price to book of the company. Debt equity is 0.6 and they have cash on the books of almost 15 crores. The other part is promoters own almost 75% stake in the company and the promoters are increasing stake in the companies. For example, in 2012 March, they owned almost 43% stake in the company and now they own almost 75% stake in the company. No doubt in 2014 they did a buyback post which they have managed to increase their stake. So, almost 75% stake is what the company promoters have in the company. Another interesting point is that they are majority shareholders and own shares in a company called Shriram Newsprint. Now, this is also a listed company. They own 75% stake here in this listed company called Shriram Newsprint, and this in turn, this company has land bank of almost 450 crores, 450 acres, sorry, in Surat. So, there is a big land bank that they are also sitting on, 450 acres of land in Surat, in and around Surat. So, this is one counter you have to watch out for. Dividend paying company, they have been paying dividends since 2007, but the dividend yield is not very high. The management in the annual report has indicated the fact that they see improved traction in their wind business that they are trying to grow. One of the concerns that they have, the dividend yield is extremely low for the stock, and finally the profits will vary because there is a high component of other income. So, basically if you are looking at this counter, it is more like a quasi mutual fund because they have significant amount of listed shares that they have and a play on the land bank of a subsidiary that they have. But this is an analysis that we have done and this is not a recommendation by any chance.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/etnow.